Hi, this is Miss Smith, Head of Computing at Lutterworth. I'm just going to take you through the BTEC Tech Award in Digital Information Technology. If you're interested in computer science, then there is another presentation for that also. So then, as we abbreviate it down, this is a BTEC qualification. So that means that it is more practical in nature. Our exam board is Pearson, who are part of Edexcel, and the equivalent to one GCSE. Difference is, instead of lots of written exam, there is only one written exam, but there are two project-based units. So these are assignments that you will complete, one in year 10 and one in year 11. So what skills will you learn? Well, this is more design and using applications. So you're going to learn how to design graphical user interfaces. You're going to be able to learn how to structure and write reports in Word using features. We're going to look at spreadsheets, a little bit on database, as well as developing your IT skills in general. As well as that, you have got an exam, so we will teach you how to write long answer questions to meet that requirement. So how will you be assessed? Well, 60% of this course is project assignments. So these are internally set pieces of coursework, which you will do. We then mark them, and then they may be sent off for checking by the exam board. Each one is split into three parts: learning aim A and B and C. And you will be graded, unlike 9/8s, so the numbers, you are graded by pass, merit or distinction. However, there is a level 1 and a level 2 grade. Level 1 is pass, merit, distinction, and that is the equivalent of grade 1.25 to a grade 3. Level 2 is pass, merit, distinction, distinction star. So this is your grade 4s to basically grade 8.59 students if you get to the distinction star. The other 40% then, of course, is written examination, and this is externally assessed in year 11, and it covers your theory, so technology and society, cybersecurity, legal and ethical issues, how we design and read flowcharts. And this is a full written exam in the exam hall, 1.5 hours, and it will have a range of questions, some short answer, some multiple choice, all the way through to longer answer written communication questions. So this is very practical. So of course we do a lot of work on the computer, and here's a couple of examples of what you might do. So looking at things like social media, the advantages and disadvantages of different types of work. That's your theory, but then you could also do your formal written reports. So you have to look at design principles. We've got things like colours, interface, and using screenshots to evidence what you are doing. What could you go on to do with this subject? Well, that's your careers, further study. Well, it's going to give you lifelong IT skills for the workplace, and this is becoming increasingly important. Students need to be able to go into the workplace and be able to use computers in a work environment, and this is a good grounding for that. Because of that as well, it's going to support a range of subject areas. So whatever you decide to go on and do, this will generally support you in order to be able to do this, because it gives you a combination of being able to use IT, but also being able to do formal written documentations and formal exams. Or then you could carry on at level 3 to do the BTEC level 3 extended certificate in IT. There's lots of options on this course. It's a lot more practical, so if that's more your thing and not written exams, then this is one to consider. If you have any questions about this course, then you can either contact your computing teacher, or you can contact me, Mrs. Smith, at k.smith@lutterworthcollege.com, and I will try to answer any questions you might have. Thanks for listening. Bye.